Today, I'll show you how to cite Google Trends effectively, ensuring your references are accurate and adhere to academic standards. Whether you're preparing a research paper or a project that requires proper citation, this guide will help you navigate the process with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Scribbar's citation generator. You can find it by typing in the URL https or www.scribbar.com/citation/generator/APA art. This tool is incredibly useful for generating citations in various styles, making it a go-to resource for students and professionals alike. Once you've reached the Scribbar citation generator, you'll see a range of citation styles available. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be using the APA 7th edition format, which is commonly used in the social sciences. However, the tool offers a variety of other styles, so feel free to choose the one that best fits your needs. Simply click on the APA 7th edition option to proceed. Now it's time to gather the link you want to cite from Google Trends. Make sure you have already conducted your search on Google Trends and have the specific page open that you wish to reference. Copy the URL from your browser's address bar. With your Google Trends link copied, return to the Scribbar citation generator. You'll find a field where you can paste the link. The tool is designed to handle URLs seamlessly, so you won't need to worry about any formatting issues. Just click into the field and paste your link. Once you've pasted the link, Scribbar will automatically generate the citation for you. It's really that simple. The tool will format the citation according to the APA 7th edition guidelines, ensuring all necessary details are included. You'll see the complete citation displayed on the screen. At this point, you just need to copy the formatted citation. Make sure to double check that all the details look correct and that nothing has been left out. This step is crucial, especially if your work will be reviewed for academic rigor. Once you're satisfied, highlight the citation text and copy it to your clipboard. Now you're ready to paste the citation into your document. Place it in the appropriate section of your paper, whether that's in the bibliography, reference list, or wherever your style guide indicates. Proper citation not only enhances the credibility of your work, but also respects the intellectual property of others by giving due credit. And there you have it, a straightforward way to cite Google Trends using the Scribbar citation generator. This method ensures your references are both accurate and appropriately formatted. Remember, always double check your citations for accuracy and consistency with your chosen citation style. Thanks for watching and happy citing.